how to fix date and time set automatically is gray out on the iPhone. So if you go into settings, general, and then date and time, you may notice this option is being grayed out. To fix this, you can temporarily turn off screen time. The main reason is because screen time is turned on with a passcode. So here, if we scroll down from settings, go into screen time, and then tap on change screen time passcode, and then tap on turn off screen time passcode. Now put in the passcode. Make sure the passcode is correct. Okay, now we go back into the general, then date and time. And here you can see it is now enabled. So you can manually change the date and time. So if it's being grayed out, it is mainly due to your screen time password. If that does not solve the problem, there are other things that you can check. So another things you want to check is the VPN or the device management. So in here, if we go down and check VPN, so go into general, then scroll down and tap on VPN and device management. Make sure you disconnect to the VPN server, or if there is a configuration that you're not using, simply delete it. When connecting to a VPN server, it can cause an issue. So make sure it is temporarily disabled or disconnect. Another thing that you can try is if your phone is connected to a carrier or a network, using a network settings, sometimes that can cause the phone to lock to a network time. So you can try to simply turn on airplane mode and then go into general, date and time, and see if you can change your time manually in here. And then after that, you can try to turn off airplane mode. So that's another thing that you can try. Turn off airplane mode, turn on, and then turn off airplane mode. Lastly, you can try to reset the network settings or reset all settings on your device. So go to settings and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, and in here choose reset all settings. This will not reset your data, it will not delete your data, it simply just reset certain settings on your iPhone, such as your layout, your keyboard layout, your Wi-Fi connections and network connectivity. So some settings will be erased and you need to manually set them up again, but your data will stay intact and you will not lose your data. And that's it. Give it a try and see how you go. Thank you for watching this video.